Introduction to Human Anatomy and Physiology. Why we need to study anatomy and physiology? Anatomy comes from the Greek root ana, means up, tomi, to cut, is the study of structure in the human body. Anatomy focuses on the description of form or how body structure at different levels look, is the structure of human body. Physiology. Physio means nature, logy means study. Studies the nature of the human body, nature in the sense of how structure at different levels work. Physiology focuses on function or how structure at different levels work. It is about function of human body. Anatomy and physiology are related. Example, a hand is able to grab things because the length, shape, and mobility of the fingers determine what things a hand can grab. A muscle contracts and brings bones together due to the arrangement of muscle and bones and the arrangement of organelles inside of muscle cells determines how much and for how long a muscle can contract. Body structure function depend on their form. The way structure work depend on the way they are organized. Physiology are an understanding of anatomy and vice versa. The study of anatomy and physiology will make more sense if you continually relate the form of the structures you are studying to their function. In fact, it can be somewhat frustrating to attempt to study anatomy without an understanding of the physiology that a body structure support. Imagine, for example, trying to appreciate the unique arrangement of the bones of the human hand if you had no conception of the function of the hand. Fortunately, your understanding of how the human hand manipulates tools, from pens to cell phones, helps you appreciate the unique alignment of the thumb in opposition to the four fingers, making your hand a structure that allows you to pinch and grasp objects and type text messages. Anatomy and physiology are two of the most basic terms and areas of study in the life sciences. Anatomy refers to the internal and external structures of the body and their physical relationship, whereas physiology refers to the study of the function of those structures. Cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system is made up of heart, blood vessels, and blood. Respiratory is made up of your lungs and the air passage that brings air including oxygen from the outside of the body into the lungs. The cardiovascular system is sometimes called the blood vascular or simply the circulatory system. It consists of the heart, which is muscular pumping device, and a closed system of vessels called arteries, veins, and capillaries. The cardiovascular system is composed of heart, blood vessels. What is endocrine system? The endocrine system is made up of glands that produce and secrete hormones, chemical substances produced in the body that regulate the activity of cells of organs. These hormones regulate the body's growth, metabolism, the physical and chemical processes of the body, and sexual development and function. The hormones are released into the bloodstream and may affect one of several organs throughout the body. Endocrine glands are called ductless glands. Release hormones directly into the bloodstream. Blood transport hormones throughout the body. Each hormone acts on only a certain kind of tissue called its target tissue. Purely endocrine organs: pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal, cortex, medulla, endocrine cells in other organs, pancreas, thymus, gonads, ovaries, testicles, hypothalamus. 5 most common endocrine disorder. Your endocrine system is a group of glands that create hormones into the blood. These hormones travel to other organs and tissues to regulate your body function. Your endocrine system influences your growth and development, mood, sexual function, reproduction, and metabolism. When something goes wrong with your endocrine system, your whole body can suffer. Here's a look of 5 common endocrine disorders and how they can affect you. Diabetes is the most common endocrine disorder. The pancreas is the endocrine gland responsible for making the hormone insulin. Thyroid disorders. Your thyroid gland makes hormones that tell your body system how fast work. When you have too much thyroid hormone, your system works in overdrive.